I chose welding because I came here on a tour back 2-3 years ago in high school, and I talked to Mr. Spalding here, who is one of my advisors, and he made a very big impact on if I wanted to come here or not. We've learned everything that you can think of: pipe welding, normal structural welding, certifications for my future, and my favorite weld is probably stainless steel TIG welding. I paid for college with the Work Ready Kentucky Scholarship. They paid for my tuition and more, and I'm going to graduate debt-free. With what I've learned here at ECTC, I already have a job, and after that, I'm wanting to open up my own private business, doing my own welding company. The welding program here at ECTC has helped me a lot, and it's going to prepare me for the future.